Hi, this is Knitting Brow. I wanted to share with you a project that I'm adding to my queue as of tonight. It is the Socks Appeal Boxers from Skacel, and I think these are just a whole lot of fun, and they're going to be perfect for lounging around the house. It's using Trekking Triple X by Zitron, which is 75% wool, 25% nylon. I have to look in my stash to find out if I've got some yarn that will work for this. I just think it's a hoot. And I saw this online, and I was really interested in it, and I was trying to find the pattern. I went to the Skacel website, and I couldn't find it on the website that I could purchase. And I was doing some searching at my local yarn shops. And I went into one local yarn shop to ask for some help. Well, actually, I called to see if they had it. They did not, but Karen at Temptation said, let me do some checking, and I'll get back to you. Well, she called me back about an hour later, said that she was getting busy, so she would need to follow up with Skacel to see if they have it available, let her know if that's something that I wanted her to do. Well, I actually went up there. I was really grateful for the fact that she called me back. She was wonderful. She offered to find this pattern for me and get it in the shop even though she didn't have it. What a great pleasure to have that happen. Great service there. So that was wonderful, and I really appreciate that, Karen. And if you've never been to Temptations, you should really go and give it a try. They have some really wonderful yarns there. The shop is great, and I like going because it gives me a different view of what other yarns are available. I like to go to different yarn shops locally, so it's great. Service is great. I get really good help there. And a nice selection of yarn. You do have to go into the back. There's one room that's full of books and magazines, and in that corner, there's a corner there what actually has their sale yarn, so you can actually get into some of that. They have a great little thing that they do, which is the mystery sock, and I think there's a link on the blog, their blog, and I'll post about that. So that was great. And so I wanted to let you know that I am going to be knitting these Socks Appeal Boxers. And Karen got 3 copies of this. So if you want a copy of this so that you can knit a pair of these for yourself, then by all means, you need to call Temptations. You need to go over there if you've not been in the shop and let them know that Gerald sent you. So that's wonderful. And while I was there, I actually picked up some yarn for another pair of shorts, and this is the Gams from Knitty, and I'll actually put a link to this. Don't look at this picture. This is a horrid picture. Horrid! They should get rid of that because the pictures that are on Ravelry are so much better. But I picked up some Serendipity Tweed, and this is a Moody Blues Flax. And I also picked up a color of Serendipity Tweed in Water Lily Leaves. I actually really like, I have 4 skeins of this, and I had not actually seen the Serendipity Tweed. So I like these colors together a lot. I think they're quite fun. And I think they'll make a great pair of Gams. And I'm going to do the alteration like it was listed in Ravelry, and I'll link that one where they actually have a tie string. Again, I think they're going to be great lounging shorts. This is 60% cotton and 40% wool. And what is really interesting about this is it feels really good. And there is another brown sheep yarn that's a cotton and wool blend, and it just doesn't feel that good. So, well, I have been enjoying doing some searching for some new patterns. For some reason, these shorts are got my interest. To be honest with you, I think they're going to be quite fun. I'm going to have to make some alterations to them to hold my insulin pump, but that'll be easy. That's one of the cool things about a knit project, and so I'll keep you up to date on that. And my other knitting that I've got going on, the Citron, continues to go well. What's really nice is the recipient of that saw that tonight, but she doesn't know that it's for her. She loves the color, she loves the design, so now I'm really motivated to get it done. Enjoy your colorful loops of daily living. Bye.